Today, we're about to witness something incredible. Animals who've never known freedom are getting their very first taste of it. These reactions are unreal, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. So let's dive in and watch these amazing creatures embrace their freedom for the first time ever. After nearly 3 decades, these chimps are finally free and the excitement is off the charts. Watch their first steps into freedom. This is a must-see moment. And this dog is totally losing it in the best way possible. Freedom has never looked so fun. Watch as it goes absolutely wild, enjoying every bit of its new life.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Grass debut for these Arizona burros. Watch them sniff and investigate this new green wonder. No bites yet, just an adorable exploration of something brand new.
It's good. Hey. Guys. Okay, got together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we gotta get you now, buddy.
Incredible rescue in action. 2 rescuers are freeing baby seals from their tangled mess. As the loops loosen, the pup's joyful twists and turns are a heartwarming sight.
What you got? Yeah, look at you!
Hey man, good luck. You are free. Goodbye. Bye.
When you realize it's Monday and you're late for your freedom meeting, run, kitty, run! These chimps are hanging on to each other, screaming in fear. Fortunately, their curiosity won out and it was a joyful experience. And these dairy cows are embracing their new green playground, making every moment in the open feel like pure magic. A condor comeback. Released back into the wild, this mighty bird is ready to claim the skies once more, gliding through the air like it never left. Can't stop smiling at this little dancer. This bird is the best dancer I have ever seen. Looks like he just needed a minute to take it all in. Is this real life, or did I just win the bird lottery? Supercharged! These birds are acting like they've been shot out of a cannon, darting around the sky with wild, over-the-top energy. It's like the sky just turned into a racetrack.
All they know is living in my backyard, but they're starting to understand a little bit of freedom here. You're free, guys!
Bob and Screech are on the move. Can't get enough of their little adventures. So cute! All the parrots were super excited as they were released one by one, but the last one looked like he was sleeping. He had his down like, "Take me back, I love being fed all day." This wonderful little one is hitting the wild for the first time, waddling and sliding like a pro. First taste of freedom and it's already living its best life. Grizzly bear being released back into the wild, he literally broke the door with excitement. Wild and free! The tiger is now free to roam the wild, and there's no stopping it. Oh my God! Wow! That's unbelievable! A small house and so many pigeons. Extraordinary pigeons releasing scenery. You can almost feel the excitement. Everything outside the barn is new and thrilling for this little one.
Okay, ready? Gonna lift it off fast. 1, 2, 3.
Magnificent eagle release. It's amazing how it came straight out of the carrier.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is really a big day. So enough here, let's go directly to the pandas. Any second, the workers here might open the door to release these pandas back into the wild.
Panda power activated. It's time for these two fluff balls to reclaim their rightful place in nature.
Wow, it's running really fast without even looking back. Caretakers are trying really hard to goad the second one out of its cage. Well, people are saying it's right at the entrance. There we go.
Sorry.
What a heartwarming moment. Nature's bond is unbreakable, and this reunion proves it. Finally free! Seeing this seal released back to where it belongs is such an inspiring moment of hope and resilience.
A really exciting moment for me. Here is Wunda, and she nearly died, but thanks to Rebecca, she came back from the dead almost.
Wow! The amazing moment when the chimp hugged the woman. That hug was pure. The energy between them is undeniable. The way they pause, then run into the wild is such a powerful moment. Freedom never looked so sweet. Look at them go! After a very long time, they go out. They're basically penguin athletes now, straight to the ocean. Ah, the way the bear looked back, almost like it was saying, "Thanks for the second chance." What a touching moment. What a stunning moment. These majestic leopards are finally back where it belongs, free and wild. That look of determination before takeoff says it all. This vulture is ready to reclaim its place in the sky. A real star surrounded by his fans. An adorable and beautiful red panda celebrating his freedom. It's so cute.
Everyone's sticking together, exploring.
Well, this is Condor's pre-flight check before takeoff. Boom, still got it. These turtles are probably thinking, what took us so long? We've got waves to catch.
You see one in Holland.
Right.
I think you look like with your eyes open.
Okay.
Freedom never looked so majestic. It's like the owl just got its wings back, literally.
We're here at Living Sky Wildlife Rehab, about to release some of our house sparrows, and their feathers are looking beautiful and they're ready to go. Yes, I should hold them.
These sparrows just launched a Wings of Freedom campaign, and they're ready to soar.
There they go.
Is he trying to take the duck with him?
This old boy is just not running.
See?
Just chill. Just chill. Just chill.
Well, the cat seems smart. It waits for anything suspicious to happen before taking its leave. Looks like this vulture is on a mission to make up for lost time. Let the scavenger hunt begin.
Ready.
That owl just took off like it's heading to the biggest owl party in the sky. Catch you later, humans! It seems like he was calling a specific cow, like he literally called the cow he was looking for. Right in the fields. After 2 years, that horse is flying with excitement. You can tell it's loving every minute of that open field. Look at that rhino strutting out, clearly ready to show the world how to party in the wild. They are so big and cute, the joy is visible. The last bull was so happy, he looked back at the owner and said, "Go!"
Let me take a look at the baby.
She ain't gonna come out. There she goes.
Well, that little one is hanging on for dear life. Mom, don't let me go. This is a wild ride.
At least she's near water, you know what I mean? There you go.
This fox just pulled a see you later move that would make any escape artist proud. You can feel the excitement. This dog is all in on that sandy beach life. First timer, but a beach pro already. That baby otter's first splash is pure energy. It's like it's discovering its true home. How can something be this cute? Looks like this bear's inner GPS is still set to cage mode. With time and some bear-sized encouragement, it'll find its way out of the imaginary cage. Talk about an epic celebration, this bear's first moments of freedom are a whirlwind of joyful leaps and playful antics. It's the ultimate freedom fiesta. It's time to celebrate. Dancing excitedly, these ducks are living their best lives and loving every moment of their newfound freedom. Nature's cutest celebration is here. Watch this deer cub revel in its freedom with adorable hops and playful antics. It's a heartwarming display of pure joy in the wild. Freedom celebration is on. This dog is living its best life with boundless energy and playful antics. Freedom has never looked so thrilling. Cage doors are open, and these hens are making the most of it. Catch their lively reactions as they step out of their cages and start exploring their new environment. Freedom has never looked so fun. This bear is making a splash in the water, dancing and frolicking with all the excitement you'd expect after being freed from a tiny cage. A freedom debut like no other. This baby pig is exploring and playing with boundless enthusiasm, embracing its new surroundings with pure joy. Kiwi's Floor Freedom is a game changer. Watch as she explores every corner of her new space with joyful energy and enthusiastic chirps. Freedom suits her perfectly. These cows are stepping out of the slaughterhouse and into a world of open fields, showing their delight with exuberant leaps and joyful exploration. That super crazy moment. These sheep are super excited. Even the dog joins their celebration. A grand reintroduction. Bison have returned to the wilds of Badlands National Park after more than a century. Witness their first steps in a land they once called home. Cute rabbit jumps out of the cage for the first time. Hooray! Freedom is such a sweet word. Freedom is a flight away. The Budgie's first day of release is a sight to see.
Charlie's first snow.
Total snow freakout. This pup's acting like it's been hit by a snowstorm of excitement, spinning and rolling like it's gone snow wild. Welcome to the Lamb's Grass Party. They're bouncing around as they've just found the world's largest toy, and their hilarious leaps and munches are a joy to watch. It is a touching moment. Bull dances with delight after he is freed. His excitement is so heartwarming. Nothing could stop that bull from stomping the hell out of someone. It's so cute how the herd ran to him. Oh, bless their little chicky hearts. Tasting green grass and feeling it under their feet must seem strange at first. Sky's the limit. These seabirds are finally free, flying over the open ocean with their wings spread wide. It's like they're on their very own oceanic adventure tour. This is what dreams are made of. The penguin is living their best life, and it's inspiring to watch. The ocean is alive with the rhythm of a billion hearts. These fish are dancing their way to a brighter future. Beautiful! Such a wonderful creature. The leopard is ecstatic after being released and is leaping around on its tiptoes. What a sight to see! These quolls, leaping and bounding with excitement, are finally back in their natural habitat. It's a truly heartwarming moment. These harpy eagles are finally out of the coop. No more cages, no more hoops. Ha 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 ha! A comeback king, this panther has defied the odds and is back where it belongs.
You like the sand, Ari?
The pure joy on the dog's face, like it's just found its ultimate playground. This is amazing. Little elephant calf standing for the first time. Oh, he's down. He's up. He's down again. But it's done that every stumble gets him closer to stomping around like a boss. Look at them go! These giraffes are back in their element, strutting through the wild like they never left. It's like watching a legend step back into the spotlight, except this one's got stripes and a serious attitude. And there he goes, back to the sky like he never missed a beat. Freedom never looked so good. The moment their wings catch the wind, it's as if the entire sky opens up for them. Pure magic.
The new year has meant new life for a group of wild animals in the county of Mung Hai in Yunnan province. With the help of local forest police, a loris and 5 partridges were released into the wild on New Year's Day.
Incredible! These animals are going home, and it feels like the earth itself is breathing a little easier today. That little escape artist is destined for greatness. The spirit of exploration is strong in this one. This pup's reaction to the waves is priceless. Pure joy and confusion all wrapped up in one fluffy package. Each bird flying into the horizon feels like a victory for nature. What an uplifting and incredible sight. Such elegance and freedom. These horses playing in the open field are a true masterpiece of nature. That carefree romp through the grass is like watching freedom come to life. So uplifting. You can feel the excitement. These pigs are soaking up their freedom, and it's absolutely heartwarming to watch.
That's good.
Oh, she's coming out.
Oh my goodness, he's so excited. Hey, can you come up? My baby, my baby.
This woman releases her pet duck into the wild. That's like releasing a domesticated wolf to a wild pack.
Just watch. We're gonna come back.
Have a soft landing, everyone. Hooray for freedom, brother. We are free. This is what happens when the former is out of town. This is their version of a wild party. The excitement is palpable. These hens are ready to enjoy their new lease on life. What a wonderful moment. Well, these chickens are super excited and are eager to enjoy some quality time outside. This is what happiness looks like. Hens, ducks, and a rooster. This crew is ready to take on the open field. After all that effort, the moment of victory is so heartwarming. Poochoo's baby deserves a round of applause. First taste of freedom. That little leap into the open world is a reminder of how precious life is. Who left the gate open? Literally hilarious. It is like one of those logic games. How to get all the goats back without another escaping. This duo is ready to conquer the world. Truffle's enthusiasm is infectious. You can't help but smile watching them. These baby chickens are ready to explore. Nothing cuter than seeing them venture into the great outdoors. Every little step is a discovery. The pig is embracing his wanderlust with such enthusiasm. Look at those tiny feet in action. These baby chicks are embracing their newfound freedom with so much energy and curiosity.
This is why we can't have nice things.
This little guy's got some serious energy, busted out and now making the barn his wild playground. First time out, and they're already little adventurers. These goat kids are unstoppable now that they're free. Nothing beats the first taste of freedom. These calves are having the time of their lives outside. So heartwarming. This little family is out in the open and they couldn't be happier. Those pups are loving every second of it. The journey begins now. This leatherback sea turtle is embracing its destiny as it ventures into the vast blue ocean. The cuteness is off the charts. These baby chickens are all about that freedom vibe. Way to go, Billy Bob! Can't believe how far he's come. Time to enjoy that freedom. That was the cutest and sweetest thing ever, seeing the elephants rolling around and playing in the water. It's great to see these Kakmas getting a second chance. Can't wait to see them thrive in the wild. Chickens have a wide-eyed, amazed expression just by nature, but these gals look a little extra surprised now. Great work! This is too cute. Dylan's zoomies are on point. He's definitely living his best life. Such a beautiful sight. Those baby sea turtles are off to start their adventure. Good luck, little ones. What a moment. These horses are all about that freedom vibe. So heartwarming. What a cutie. Neo is ready to explore the woods. Can't get enough of his excitement. Aha! This calf is pure happiness. Love watching him run free like that. This calf is all about that freedom life. Too cute. Oh wow! Look at that happy family. This sow and her piglets are totally soaking up their freedom. Pure joy. What a breathtaking moment. This eagle is ready to reclaim its throne in the skies.
In goes the first one, and then the second.
This is what it's all about. Every kestrel deserves a shot at freedom. Let them fly! Way to go, Karma. You've got this. Can't wait to see her get all the love and care she deserves. What a wonderful showstopper. This horse is definitely ready for the spotlight with those dance moves. These chimps just hit the jackpot. Wait, what do you mean we can climb trees now?
Do I go to pardon?
Oh my god, he's so cute! Sheltie puppies are adorable when they are all scruffy.
I'll find the holder.
That calf's reaction is priceless. Wait, can I explore? This is way better than the burn. It's a kitty takeover. Watch out, world. Here come the cutest little adventurers. And they're off. It's like the cutest race ever. Watch out, world. Here comes the Feathered Freedom Squad. First outdoor trip? Bet they're going to be like, so what's this green stuff? And can we roll in it? Fresh air and sunshine. They're out and they're on a mission. Watch out, world. Here come the little explorers. It's like that hawk was saying, thanks for the pit stop, but I've got clouds to catch. Not even a second thought. They knew it was their moment to shine and break free. Such a little smarty pants. He was looking for the biggest opening until he found it. It's like they've been planning this breakout for weeks. Freedom never looked so funny. That goat escaped so fast, even the fence was like, wait, what just happened? You can practically hear the fish crows thinking, so long, humans, it's time to make some questionable life choices. Margot just stepped out like, finally, I can howl at the moon without an audience. Is it just me, or does this pony look like it's auditioning for a role in a Disney movie? These parrots are living proof that the sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Forget flying lessons, these hens just went full-on chicken runway mode. That croc just hit the exit like it heard, free buffet in the wild, time to chow down.
2, 3.
Wow. They're too fast to fly.
These hawks just went from couch potatoes to Top Guns in seconds. Let the aerial adventures begin. From dry land to a splashy return, this beaver is hitting the water with all the excitement of a summer pool party. After 400 years, it's ready to make waves. Check out these quail discovering dirt for the first time. It's like they've hit the jackpot of happiness. The excitement is absolutely contagious.